Okay, what we have here, you can see the new original pump we have here. This is also new, shiny and glossy. The tensioner is also new, and now we are replacing this part inside, and also going to be new installed. As you can see from both sides, the crack is present on the both sides, and let me just try to put in focus. So the crack is all the way there, and the crack is also on this side. All the way around. And now you have absolutely new original. I think you will enjoy it. So it's good that we get here and we found that this part needs to be replaced.